Hey, what up people? What's going on? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make $1,000 selling vinyl decals. I'm Mr. Silva Decals, and I make videos about how to make money selling vinyl decals. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do it now. I post videos every week. Okay, let me show you how I made $1,000 selling vinyl decals. Actually, it's pretty simple. I design a decal and post it on my eBay account. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, this is the decal I designed. This is a very popular decal. It is the In Love in Memory decal. They sell really good. I offer this decal in 4 different colors, and I have 5 different styles or designs. Okay, so as you can see, the price is really good. It's $8.99 per decal, and I have 115 units sold so far. If you do the math, it is $8.99 times 115 units sold. It is $1,033. It is over $1,000 per one single decal with different styles, but it's only one single decal. This is a proof that you can make money selling vinyl decals. Can you imagine if you design 3, 4, or 5 different decals and they sell really good like this one? You can make some money. I'm not telling you you're gonna be rich overnight or something like that, but with $1,000 you can pay your telephone bill, your gas, your car insurance. And the best thing of selling online is that after you design the decal and list it, you don't have to do anything else. You just have to wait for the orders to come. And once you get the orders, you make the decal and ship it out. That's it. So my question for you people is, what's stopping you from making $1,000? If I can do it, you can do it too. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I see you on my next video. Thank you for watching.